It is example number 1 based on total probability. A bag contains 5 red, 4 white balls. A second bag contains 3 red and 6 white balls. One bag is selected at random and then one ball is drawn. Find the probability that ball drawn is red. Let even is an event of selecting first bag and E2 is an event of second bag. And E is an event which occurs with E1 and E2. E is the event whose probability we have to find. The ball drawn is red, means event is red. Now probability of E is equal by theorem of total probability of E1 probability of E by E1 probability of E1 probability of E by E1 and probability of E2 into probability of E by E2 means if we select first bag, there are two possibilities. If we select first bag and the drawn ball is red, it is first probability. Or if we select second bag and the drawn ball is red, it is second possibility. These two events are mutually exclusive because if the drawn ball is red from first bag happen, then second event rejects. Probability of E1 is the probability of selecting first bag. There are two bags, then selecting one bag is 1 by 2. Probability of E2, there are two bags and selecting one bag is 1 by 2. Probability of E by E1, it means we have select first bag and then the drawn ball is red, means the drawn ball is red and first bag is selected before. It means we have to draw a red ball from first bag whose probability is 5 by 9. There are 5 red and total 9 balls in first bag. Probability of E by E2 means we select second bag and then draw a red ball from it, means second bag contains 9 balls in which 3 are red, 3 by 9. Put the value in equation. Probability of E1 which is 1 by 2, E by E1 which is 5 by 9 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 9. Then it is 5 by 18 and 3 by 18 8 by 18 means 4 by 9 is answer.